It is cooking time with C. Today's recipe is crunchy fake buffalo wings for those times you just don't want meat. So let's get started. So I found the chicken 65 seasoning on Amazon, and I added a 1/3 cup of coconut flour, a cup of cornstarch, and my trio plus one for that added flavor. So, and the batter comes out to like a pancake type of consistency, and all we're doing is frying up these raw cauliflower. You can make them as big or as small as you like. You can see me just turning it in the batter and dropping them in. Be careful, it is hot oil. So, but they were easy and it came out so crunchy. I have to admit, I had to play around with this batter a little because at first the batter would not stick to the cauliflower. Hence, you have 1 full cup of cornstarch. Yes, cornstarch is the key ingredient to make the batter stick. I had to figure that out because this one was a little tricky because I'm not using the chicken 65 the way it is instructed on the back of the package, because Cheryl had to do it the way she wants to do it. But it definitely still came out pretty good. So, and this also only made a probably a cauliflower head, about a medium-sized cauliflower head. Like I said, you can cut them up to your choice, whether you want smaller bites or bigger bites. But this is definitely a nice alternative buffalo wing when you really don't want meat or you just want something to snack on. I saw this recipe on YouTube where people were using this for like the football snacks and like the Super Bowl snacks. Hey, you can have it anytime you want. I'm telling you, this Indian season definitely gives it a great flavor. I imagine you can probably do this with other different types of season, but I've been looking for this season for a while, and I was so glad when I did find it on Amazon, so I finally got around to making it. But I'm telling you, I will be doing this again. Definitely doing it again. And it's so easy of a recipe. But again, don't forget the cornstarch. That is a key component. It is almost 3 times cornstarch to what you put as flour. And I used that whole pack of the chicken 65. It came out pretty good. Even at the end of the video, I do a little crunch sample for you because I was just so surprised it came out so crispy. Like I said, I kind of been playing around with this recipe to kind of get it right because I'm not doing exactly what out of the box instructs you to cook this, but sometimes you just want the alternative to having meat. Because we have to be healthy. We got to keep our immune system up there. We're in trying times, and with the different things that are going on, I am still trying to eat as healthy as possible. And you should too. So, fam, try them out. They're not hard. I'm going to leave the recipe on. Like I said, I had a recipe at the beginning. So, listen to this crunch. They were delicious. As I always say, bon appetit, my fam.